Don't you get carrots at home or what, buddy?
What about your birthday? And will you be joining us for Christmas?
Watch the bosses get lightly shocked when fluffy white snow suddenly attacks their senses.
Bandit.
They have no idea what's going on. There's clouds.
Seems like dog language doesn't really include the concept of personal space.
I love you. Say it.
Navy, do you want to have breakfast?
Say cheese.
What are we gonna do?
Ты спеваешь? Ты поешь?
A beginner lesson for kids playing with snow for the first time. This golden is good enough to join a sled team.
I love you. I do love you.
Are you really gonna try?
I bet he's just trying to act spoiled.
Laura, I need my hand back. I need my hand back, thank you.
They're smarter than you think. Don't miss the next video. This is why you need to be really strong if you plan on having big dogs.
What's this spot, girl?
ไม่นั่งกับพี่สาวนั่งจริงๆ ก็บอกให้นั่งกับซองไงลูกให้เขา
Just lay down. You were outside for 3 hours. Then you got treats. Now it's relaxed.
What are we gonna do?
Ты спеваешь? Ты поешь?
Franklin. Oh.
Summer dogs seeing snow for the first time be like,
Paisley, do you love me?
oh man, he must really miss his dad.
Yeah? Wilson, wait. You know what wait means? Do you know? Yeah?
So,
Grandma, you're not supposed to stop.
what?
You're not supposed to stop.
Oh, okay. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you're
ですかあるですねある Does anybody want to come in? You? Jura? Anybody want to come in right now? Do you guys want to come in for a treat? Maybe? Okay, I'll revisit. Oh, you do?
Bring it here. Bring it here. Thank you.
Hey, Franklin. Oh, hey, can we go shake off outside? Come on, let's go shake off outside. Come on, sit. Oh, turn.
Just lay down and you were outside for 3 hours. Then you got treats. Now it's relaxed.
Up when who's in there?
Pretty funny, right? Don't miss the next video.
No, don't speak back to me. We've had this conversation, Lockie. Do you miss Mum?
That kiss cost way too many carrots.
You gonna get a bite?
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Just let him enjoy his free snacks.
You gonna get a bath, man.
The older he gets, the stronger his competitive spirit becomes.
You can't have them. They're not for dogs. Okay, no, you can't have them.
Okay, stay up. If you're happy and you know it, say hello. If you're happy and you know it.
Smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off. Like a...
Oh my, other households better stop using balls as snowman eyes.
You notice? Yeah, he'll be fine. But it's time for bed.
The rabbits are probably hungry. Downstairs and feed the rabbits. Or maybe we should go down and feed the bunnies. You gonna get up? Come on, let's go.
What's up, man?
When car lovers meet each other, be like,
There, dude. Is that a Bronco or? Yeah? Right.
The rabbits are probably hungry. Downstairs and feed the rabbits. Or maybe we should go down and feed the bunnies.
It's Sunday. I don't have to get up.
So are you telling me what she did today? What did she do? Are you telling me? What? Good girl or a bad girl? What? Was she a bad girl?
They have no idea what's going on. There's clouds.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
this is heaven in the eyes of huskies.
Take my socks off.
Bring it here. Okay, get my other one.
Luckily, this game doesn't have an age limit, right, buddy?
I'm sorry. This is really embarrassing.
He still remembers the time he used to sit on his older brother's lap.
I'm in your lap. I'm sorry. Jake, what are you doing to your no-no? Jake!
No, you're not coming up here. There's no room. No, there's no room. There's no room. So there is no room. There is no room.
When your two younger brothers start learning how to use their strength, this season, you can eat ice freely without asking Mom, buddy. Looks like mischief really does grow in proportion to size. All grown up, but still can't stop acting spoiled with Mom. Kids, after being outside for 3 minutes, be like, dogs really turn into kids when they see snow for the first time, right? Don't miss the next video! A beginner lesson for kids playing with snow for the first time.